First time to nangyari, comeback after comeback, iyak ang coach ng Binyan. Nagbabalik na si Mac Cardona, tinrash talk si De Chavez pero karma ang inabot ng buong team. Hindi nagdala ng payong ang Binyan, Chris De Chavez nagpaligo ng tres pati si Loy sa Andalyo hindi makakapaniwala sa sobrang intense umabot pa ng overtime. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Good point to the side of the guys in white, Davao Occidental. De Chavez returns and immediately free. Arboleda the rebound, bounce pass to Comia in transition, attacking Captain Hook immediately.
That one got a good line as well.
Cardona pupukol sa tres, yes!
You love the matchup here between Mac Cardona.
Binyan standing their ground on the defense. Peña Redondo stretches over against Davao. That's been a problem for them. Renzo Zubido leaving everyone behind. Baka yata kami ng 60 points eh.
Hindi niya pa tinigil no first quarter. Oh!
Zubido, Renzo feeling it.
Oh, yeah.
Knocks that one down from Peña Redondo from the free throw. No, a minute and 48 remaining here in quarter number 1. Balik muna tayo sa laro.
Good snake.
Uy, ang ganda naman nung lusot doon. May altercations. Pero ang bilis eh.
Nice
Basta
fake.
natapos, as Ronnie Alonte, nakalusot din. And gets fouled. This free throw brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong clients brand ng Pilipinas.
Na maganda sa kanya kahit limited yung minutes na.
Ni Alonte. Raymart steps back for free. Book it.
And those are quality looks that they got.
Oh, Pamboy making it look.
I got to cover the last time for their game. These guys, what these
Dapat kay Ryan Suwal. Salubre. Pupukol. Oh, gets the basket.
did to get there and try and repeat.
Escobido, sinugod yung depensa ni Chavez. Goes into attack mode, gets blocked by out again to Coach Louie Gonzalez for that very vital information as Mark Pingris with what Binyan's doing.
At saka the spacing is yun.
Maestre swings it, Suwal, long free. It's good.
And eventually start doing next level from the third and the fourth.
Big boy.
Mac Cardona, Jmar Gimpayan.
Derso is open for free. Book it.
Sure again.
Behind the back dribble, Arboleda. Oh, great pass. Free for a free. Chris De Chavez scores.
For Davao to operate on other stuff. There you go.
Great passing. Leads to this. Derso, catch and shoot. Free. It's good.
In that game against Bulacan. And I feel that's one of the things that has really allowed them to knock down those pieces.
Occidental, 7 of 19 naman. Para sa Binyan. De Chavez ulit. Mike. Ingris unable to convert.
Oh wow, look at that left of the floor pass.
Chavez again!
Yeah.
Frees have been falling tonight for the Davao Occidental. Escobido. Crossover. Oh, escapes. Lays it up and in. Back to Harold. Arboleda. De Chavez. Quick trigger. Oh man. Great. Nasits naman ng Davao.
That was a post split. That's a
Ooh! Man.
challenge 3 para dito sa kanila.
Salubre. Sidestep. Beauty! Pingris. Outlet. Lastimosa is free on the other side, but still at 90 was the instigator in this uprising of the Davao Occidental Tigers.
No good anticipation.
Pass telegraph. Lastimosa free, but close the layup. Gimpayan there for the stick back. Yan.
Carlos gotta make this.
Lastimosa! Yeah!
Carlo Lastimosa. He goes under. Good switch.
Arboleda, pocket pass inside. Missing the back end of his free throws, but they retrieve the possession. Lastimosa, nakabuelo! In the last 5 minutes, De Chavez able to rectify that. Marito backing down to Chavez. Flip one. Chavez. Oh man, he has
Defined Chris.
Salubre, bubukol ng
Oh,
tres.
man.
Maganda yung tinatakbo mong sistema. Both sides of the floor. As Chris de Chavez! My goodness!
Oh my goodness! Where are you from?
Malaksak si Escobedo. Steal by Binyan. They have good green-like numbers
Yeah.
from Harold. Raymundo drills in a three-pointer.
Second game.
Oh. Tama with penalty. Good on the first. 7 points. Does have 4 assists. Down by 3 points.
Shot clock is off.
Foul given up. 8 points, 3 of 3 from the charity stripe. And his last 4 free throws. Comia having trouble inbounding it. Oh! Binyan with a chance! Maestre got fouled! Pandemonium here! It pops out. Good on the second. Facing a double team. Release pass to Salubre. Inside. No good. Gipayan the rebound. And we are going into over. Yeah, will not work. Those are tired legs from both squads. Peña Redondo though able to win. Binyan. Jeff Comia off that alley. Now, Kenny Roakurva.
That's right.
So Mark Fingris hindi na binalik dito. Maestre, basket and one!
Well, you just
Monster performance for Mike Maestre. Cabo Occidental dodging a bullet. Salubre, great bounce pass from Jeff Comia in Calasiao. Comia banks it in, asking for a
what a good decision there by Comia. He's just attacking the defense.
the strong first half for Binyan. Coming up in the absence of Kenny Roakurva. And Pamboy. Release pass to Terzo. Comia. 3-on-2 opportunity. Comia missing. Escocio for the stick back.
One.
Ipayan inside. Kick out pass. Sobino. This could be big! They get it to Escobedo. At the post they go. Wow, Escocio just powering through. Terzo switching onto him. Renzo inside. The pass to Waray Gimpayan. Forcing it up. The putback. Wala pa din. Kapik na punta kay Pamboy. 10 seconds remaining. For free. Peña Redondo. It pops out. Maestre. Oh, the steal. Comia. He will escape. And a foul will be 11 points for Jeff Comia.
What a turn of defense.
For timeouts. Comia, release pass. Oh, great use of the time here by Davao Occidental. 3 seconds remaining. Salubre also coming up massive.
You can't commit another meltdown as such. You're down so huge the game, and it almost cost you this match.